All right, so we have the MovMax pocket controller here. We're gonna talk about this a little more while I demo it, but this is it right out of the box. It takes 2 AAA batteries and it magnetizes to your phone. Now it gives you analog control, allows you to 2x fast zoom, zoom in and out, quick record, that's the power. And then we have this to flip 360, and then this other button to, oh sorry, this was flip 360, and then this was to recenter. Magnetizes, also extends. This is how it looks with the phone. You can orient it either way. And of course this can slide closer. All right, so you'll need to go to accessibility, touch, and then we'll go to assistive touch. So we'll need to have that on, and then we will be pairing this by going to settings. Wow, so go to Bluetooth, and then you will search for the MovMax, and then you'll get it paired that way. Once it's paired, you will be able to open the Mimo app and start using it. So we have the controller turned on. It's already linking up to my Osmo, and this is after I synced it. So this is already connected. And what I can do here, hopefully you can see this, is you'll press this button first. Once you press it, you'll be able to start controlling it. Once you press it again, the controls sort of disable and stops controlling it. So I'll press it again. Again, there we go. Starts controlling. So just want to show you guys again. If we go into the settings, Bluetooth, it is connected to MovMax, and then the accessibility setting is turned on. When you turn this on initially, it will flash blue right here, and it will try to connect. Now, if you can't get it to connect for the first time, I believe you hold the power button until it starts flashing, and then you'll be able to try to reconnect. It did take me a couple tries, so be aware that that may be something that you'll have to do. Let's get to the car and let's start talking about how we can use this product. I want to say chat because I feel like I should be saying chat. Everyone's scared about my camera falling, and apparently I'm the only one that's not. But while we're filming this video, I have my camera outside the car. And yeah, they're worried about it falling off. I mean, I am a little bit, but you know, whatever.
All for the gram.
All for the gram, all for YouTube, all for you guys. And
which way, left or right?
let's go. Oh, I guess let's go left.
Oh.
There's not really wide roads over here, that's the problem. So with the controller, we can move the joystick around, obviously, like so, which is a little better than using the screen, since the screen has major delay. So the joystick's a little better in control. And then you have this swivel up here where you can zoom in. So just like that, I can zoom in to his car. Also keep the control going.
Shut up my valve so you can hear.
And then I can use this orange button to pause or start a recording. So press that, it stopped it. I press it again, starts it. And of course you can recenter and whatnot with the controller. So at the top you have this button right here that will recenter it like it just did. So I'll press it again while we're messing with it. And then on this side it will flip the camera, so we'll flip it. We got the back of his bumper, flip it again. But I think the main purpose of this is to use it as a joystick and really stay in frame with the car.
Now, obviously, you can active track. And
Yeah.
It's pretty trustworthy.
Yep, so we can still do active track, which is probably going to do a better job at tracking than
This is
using
just
your
more
thumb track.
creative, like, controls with that. though.
Yeah,
You can do more slick, crazy shots.
exactly. So like Jimmy's saying, which I don't think we're recording him, or we can't get a shot of him since the camera's outside.
Actually, this is recording.
Oh, perfect.
Yeah.
So Jimmy right here we're talking about it. The joystick is more for creative shots. So like if a car is panning, or if you're trying to keep it in focus when it goes behind like a semi or something, you know, that it will work better for. Whereas active track is really bad at keeping track of a car whenever you lose it in the screen. So
Yeah, because if you active track and it gets lost, it'll go back or stay to where it got lost at.
Yeah.
With that, you can keep on following it.
right.
So that's, I guess, the best use case scenario.
So if you want creative shots, this is the way to go. You'll need the extra driver, of course, which makes it a little bit more difficult.
Which
Whereas,
defeats the purpose of a one-man roller. Right?
yeah, completely defeats the purpose. But I think if you,
Dip?
huh?
Is there a dip right there?
No.
Okay.
But if you want creative shots with just an Osmo, this is going to be the easiest way to do it. Oh God. I'm hoping we can choose the sensitivity of stay on the right.
Just on the right.
Yeah. Sir,
I should have used the van.
Come closer.
come closer. There we go. Zoom out. Got a nice little background.
That was a nice little background.
And then we can cut it. You don't have to use the phone horizontally, you can have it vertical still. There's a little switch on the back that lets you pull it in, so we can always use it as so. So this works for both Pro Max, Pro, and normal iPhones. Just a little magnet on the back. We'll mess with it that way. Easy peasy. All right, that's pretty much all we needed.
That's pretty much
Yeah,
it.
that's pretty much it. All right, so if you made it to this part of the video, I am currently in Japan and finishing up this MovMax video, as you can see outside, but we showed you everything you can do with it, and it is priced at $99, so you can pick one up January 15th. So be sure to go to MovMax's website to pick one up, or you can get it on the TikTok shop. I have a referral link that I will link down below, and I don't believe you guys get anything off on it. It just gives me some credit, but if you like to do that, feel free to do so. I do recommend this, again, for creative styles. So if you want to use the Osmo 3 for specific shots like going past semis, etc., and you want it to stay on track with your vehicle or whatever subject that you're shooting, this will be a great accessory to use with that. Now, if you're just wanting to shoot the car and maybe you don't want to specifically control how the camera is targeting the subject, this might not be for you. But for the rest of you guys that I know are probably more creative, this is something that would really help with the workflow. So I'm gonna end this video while I'm still in Japan. Go pick up your MovMax controller and catch you in the next one.